Hey, I'm Arihant. Most businesses have customer data sitting in 5 different places and none of them talk to each other. That gap means missed signals, duplicate records, and decisions made on incomplete pictures. Customer insights. Data fixes that by pulling everything into one unified profile. Let's walk through how it actually works. Is Customer Insights. At its core, it's Microsoft's customer data platform. It ingests transactional, behavioral, and demographic data from any source and resolves it into one unified profile per customer. That unification step is where the real complexity lives. And that unified profile doesn't just sit there. Customer Insights splits into two connected halves. Data handles the unification work. Journeys consumes those profiles to fire real-time engagement across email, SMS, and push. The split matters because each half has separate configuration requirements. So let's walk through how that unification work actually happens inside the data half. You pull from multiple sources, map fields to a shared common data model, then apply deduplication rules to match records across systems. The merge step is where it all clicks. Fragmented records collapse into one clean profile. Next, we'll see what activating that profile unlocks. Before that unification workflow can run, though, the foundation has to be solid. And this is where teams stall most often. You need a Dataverse environment, the right licenses, accessible data sources, and global or system admin permissions in that order. Skip any layer and nothing above it works. Next, let's look at where integrations typically break down. Even with those prerequisites locked in, most teams still hit the same four walls. Schema drift, duplicate keys, throttled connectors, and missing consent data. Each one silently corrupts your unification before a single profile gets built. Fix those bottlenecks, and here's what you actually unlocked. The unified profile stops being a data asset and becomes an AI engine. Churn scores tell you who's at risk. Next best action tells you what to do. Segment membership tells you who gets it. Then all three activate directly into journeys, automations, or analytics. Insight without activation is just a report. So that's customer insights. Ingest, unify, enrich with AI, and activate. Sort your prerequisites and watch those four bottlenecks before go live. If this helped, hit follow for more. Catch you in the next one.